How to write articles with AI. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video because it is so easy to do. Now over here I have ChatGPT. Now this is one of the best, if not the best, AI tools in order to write articles, blogs, essays, scripts, and whatever you can imagine. So this one is so good because first of all, it is free. And second, it just doesn't have many limitations. It is very easy to use. And yeah, so all you basically got to do is simply write an article about the current crypto market, for example. So now all I have to do is click on send. And now a sort of like conversation will start. So I ask a question, the AI will reply with it by writing an article. Now, this may take a while because it just doesn't pop up, boom, immediately. It still has to sort of like come up with it. So yeah, if the article is very big, like, I don't know, then it can take a while. If not, then it will be done in a couple of seconds. Now that it's finally done, this is all it wrote. So you can, for example, read all of this and of course add or delete some stuff and post it as an article. What you can also do is regenerate the response, or if you're happy with this response but you simply want to go into a bit more detail, then you can also, for example, ask what is the current state of Bitcoin, for example. So you want to go into more detail about the crypto market, to go into more detail about Bitcoin, for example. So then you can also ask that question, and now it will also answer my question. Something which is pretty cool as well, which I'll show once this is done, is, for example, write a 300 words article about Ethereum. So what I mean with the 300 words is that you can choose yourself how many words you wanted it. So if you simply ask, write an article, then it will just write an article without like any limitations or whatsoever. But if you say 300 or maybe 1,000, then it will try to exactly go for 300 or 1,000 words. So now I'm going to simply click on answer or send, and then it will write a 300 word article about Ethereum. So that is a quick tip that you can use as well, and it's actually very easy to do, and it is now simply writing this out. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And the great thing is that on the left you can see all of these chats. So I can simply stop this chat and continue another one, or I can close this window down, log back in, and I can continue the exact same chat again. So over here I have had this chat and I've already asked this. So yeah, that is pretty great. So that's how you can easily write articles with AI, and now you can combine all of these like articles together and sort of like build your own article from different like AI generated articles, which is great. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.